Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding the document verification, the secret key, the verification slip, all these things in this video. So watch till the end. So Kcet document verification started on 27th of June and today it's 28th of June, the second day for the Kcet document verification. The students who went to the document verification today and yesterday are in the confusion that they didn't receive any secret key or the verification slip. For your kind information, the verification slip will be released after 1 week, or it may also be released in the 5 to 6 days, upcoming 5 to 6 days. So but you will get your verification slip very soon. Your documents are already verified, but it may take some time for the Karnataka examination authority to create the secret keys to create the verification slip. So it may take at least 1 week to get your verification slip. We will update you whenever the verification slip link is uploaded into the KES official portal. So keep our channel subscribed. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.